G'day guys, it's Will from Mower Merchant Rosebud Mowers. Today we've got the Stander B Wright 32 up on our hoist. This has been our test machine for our blade spacers for the past couple of months. It's back in the workshop just to check on how it's been running. A couple of things we want to check when we're trying out things like this is there any wear and tear on the spindle spacers, bolts, or any issues going on with the belt path, as we have repitched the deck to go lower. So what you can see on this side here, you can see that we have repitched the deck, so we are getting a fair bit lower cut. Now, our main concern with repitching the deck too low was changing the angle of the cutter belt. However, we're pretty satisfied now that we have got a good angled setup and that we have lowered the deck quite considerably on each four corners of the mower. Okay, so we have dropped the deck down a fair bit. Now, the reason why we've done this is because we didn't want to run overly stepped blades. We didn't want to run a huge 25mm stepped blade that then protruded from the bottom of the deck on the 32s. Okay, in the 36 and 52s, we do have a blade that doesn't protrude from the deck. However, on this particular machine, it just wasn't possible. Every blade combination that we tried, they hung too low from the bottom of the deck, and for safety reasons, we did not want to run blades like that with our spacer setup. So we have repitched the deck to go along with our spacers. So if we come around here, I'll winch up the machine. We're going to look at that now. Okay, so what we have underneath here is a standard set of blades. So these are just the 32 blades that the Stander B comes with. We have added our 31mm spacer in here with also our brand new extended blade bolt as well. And basically what we can see on rotation is the blade is still inside the front lip of the cutting deck, which is really important for blowout, really important for safety, really important that we don't throw rocks out, etc. So pretty much this deck will now cut like a rotary hoe with the added adjustment to the cutting deck, with the repitching of the cutting deck, and also adding the blade spacers themselves. So really good outcome for this particular mower, because there's definitely guys out there that do want to cut super low. So mowermerch.com.au, you can find the blade spacer kit available, which is the 2 spacers and 2 blade bolts for the 32s. And also obviously available in all your other sizes as well. The best thing about this is you can run any style of blades. You can run OEMs, you can run aftermarket gator blades, you can run any type of aftermarket blade that's on the market. You can even run X blades as well. So here you go guys, if you've got any questions, flick us a message or a text or an email, and we'll be able to help you out. Have a great day, enjoy.